Well, this is a bit of a difficult video to get across. I thought, how do you sort of explain to everyone what's happening? The Road King Special is going to a new home. Those of you who know me know I buy and sell bikes. Most motorcycles that live with me have about a year lifespan. Generally, I have had some bikes for 2.5 years, but most bikes generally have about a year lifespan. I have had my eye on this next bike for probably about 10-11 months now, and I'm not going to say too much. I'll explain a little bit more in the next video because it is a surprise. But the Road King Special is going to a new home, and we're going to have some awesome videos on this new bike. We're going to do some wonderful journeys, and I have no doubt that you guys are going to love this one. And yeah, so I'm just blabbing on. Let's maybe take a little walk down memory lane with the Road King Special and wish her all the best in her adventure with the new family that she's going to go and move to. And let's get ready for this new chapter, new surprise, and stay tuned. Stay tuned. I want to do a review on the 2020 Road King. My word, am I impressed. You know, what a beautiful machine. Can I check out these bars? So mean. Look at this. Don't you think it's peaceful?
No, because I just did that. The big moment has arrived. Every Harley owner's dream.
Around about 5 to 10 minutes away from the dealership. Oh, excited, we're here.
Like the new bike?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Hey?
Bike.
It's nice, isn't it? Are you putting them for support and I have to be fucking rude, huh? Have I bought a good bike?